Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tommie and I have an Ipsy Bag for you. I'm so excited. It is my February and I absolutely love the bag this month. It is so cute. It's very girly but also like sexy. It reminds me of Bordeaux, however you say that, but it's those pictures where they dress up. They're very sexy, sensual. I love it. But let's hop in. The theme this month is Unzipped, which I really like that theme. So it's being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real, it's confident, it's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. I love that. That's so nice, and I love the cover. So it literally has such different type of people, which is so amazing and beautiful. I love that. Alright, so let's see what's in the bag. First thing I'm seeing is Lychee and Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush. I love getting blush. I remember getting them this before, and not this exact thing, but this brand, and I really liked it. That looks so pretty. You guys can see that. It looks really, really pretty. Such a wearable color. And it's cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. I don't know why I just smelled that. That's weird. So it's with ginger, leche, mangosteen, and chamomile extract. That's really cool. I just sniffed that again. What am I doing here? Oh, it's so soft. So it's really light. It looks like it's gonna be like a perfect sheer blush. Hopefully you guys can see that, but it's a really sheer blush. I think that looks really, really pretty. And I would throw it on my face now, but I don't have a brush. Oh, that's really pretty. It's working with my finger. That is really pretty. I definitely feel like this is an everyday wearable color. I'm definitely going to be wearing this color a lot. That's a winner. Just a little bit about it. It just says a multi-dimensional versatile blush with micro gold frosting to create a subtle shimmery flush. I'm in. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Ooh, the next thing I got is a Luxie brush, and it's double-ended. 4.9 brush, and it looks like it has a Luxie brushes are so soft. It's a good fluffy crease split brush, and then a nice shader brush. So this is actually would be so perfect to travel with, so you can get your crease and then you can also get your lid. Okay, the next thing I have is the Hey Honey Come Undone Face and Eye Daily Makeup Removal. I actually really like this brand. We get this quite often, but it's 100% natural ingredients, all skin types. I'm excited. I definitely will be trying this out. I'm always looking for a good face and eye makeup remover. Ooh. And then the next thing I have is APTO Moisture Retaining Day Lotion. It's for dry and combo skin. So it says this formula seals its moisture and leaves the skin nourished, soft, and supple. And then the last thing I have is Trestique Mini Eye Pencil, and it's in Swiss chocolate. How cute is this little... Cool, so the whole lid part comes off, which is really nice. And then, oh yeah, it's a really nice dark chocolatey brown. I'm definitely going to get a lot of use of that. I've been loving brown eyeliner so much. It just looks, it still makes your eyes look very sultry without overdoing it. So I'm really excited about that. This was such a good bag. I really like it a lot. Honestly, I'm going to use the crap out of everything. I love getting brushes. Whenever I get a brush in a bag, it's literally seals the deal for me, and it totally makes $10 worth it for getting a brush. And I'm so excited about that blush. It looks so pretty, and that eyeliner, I'm gonna use so much out of it. And these are all brands that I've heard of, and I'm excited to use. Other than APTO, I've never heard of that brand, but I mean, I love Lotion. I'm always excited to get this. This is like perfect for carrying in your bag. And the bag itself is so cute. I love it. Definitely my style. But that is my February Ipsy bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.